I'm telling you, it was not my fault. I was just watching Tommy, but I was distracted by this music. Oh yeah, so that's how you got mixed up. You just let them took the blame. I thought she loved us. Yeah, I don't care if she's still mad at us. Yeah, but she is our sister. That is correct. We should respect Jenny. She knows that we could be a greater team together. Yeah, now she's mad at us. Probably forever. Yep. And good thing XJ2 still holds her blasts. Ow! Ow! Guys, Aunt Jenny got kidnapped by Decepticons. And, and Lockdown's with them. And Cyclonus, he's back. Cyclonus? As in the leader of the Decepticon Armada during Unicron? With Galvatron? Yes, but Galvatron's not there. Just Cyclonus and these new Decepticons. That they're known as Shatter and Dropkick. They're like general Decepticons. They're much almost powerful than others. Oh no, they captured XJ9. Oh, we gotta save her. But where is she? They took her on a starship. It's like in the sky somewheres. But wait, where's Bumblebee? Oh no, they got B too. Oh no, now we gotta save Aunt Jenny and B. Ah, Autobots, we must prepare for battle. These new Decepticons are more powerful than the others that we have faced. But now I fear they come back for seconds, and we're not gonna let Jenny die. In the name of this freedom, we now will take the war to them. Optimus Prime is right. We gotta go save her. Us Maximals too. I'll regroup with 3 Maximals as myself, Cheetor, and Dinobot. Alright? I'm coming along too. I'm coming too. Vega? Yes. Alright, so we have a team as myself, Kilgore, Vega, Cheetor, Primal, Dinobot, and of course Tommy will help too. I'm coming too. What? Yeah, me too. Alright. Okay then. Alright then. Let's go save Jenny. I put in a location on her. Oh. Looks like she's down here. Looks like we're gonna have 2 teams. I think I have an idea.